Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today, we will learn daily use English words. These words are very common, very simple, and very useful. You can use these words every day. Listen carefully, repeat slowly. Let us start. Part 1. Why daily use words are important. Daily use English words help you speak English easily. You do not need big words to speak English. Small words make big sentences. If you know daily use words, you can understand conversations, speak confidently, learn faster. So these words are very important. Part 2. Common greeting words. Now let us learn some greeting words. Listen and repeat. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. These words are used to start a conversation. Practice them every day. Part 3. Polite daily words. Now, polite words. These words show respect. Listen carefully. Please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sorry. Excuse me. Use these words when you talk to people. Polite English sounds nice. Part 4. Yes, no, and simple responses. Now, very small but very powerful words. Listen. Yes. No. Okay. All right. Sure. These words are used in daily conversation. Repeat slowly. Yes. Okay. Sure. Part 5. Daily action words. Now, let us learn daily action words. Listen and repeat. Go. Come. Eat. Drink. Sleep. Work. Study. Example sentences. I go to school. I eat food. I study English. Simple words, simple sentences. Part 6. Daily life nouns. Now, common daily nouns. Listen carefully. Food, water, house, home, office, school, market. Example. I am at home. I go to the market. Repeat slowly. These words are used every day. Part 7. Making simple sentences. Now, let us make simple sentences. Listen. I like tea. I want water. I am at home. I go to work. I study English every day. You can change the words. Practice speaking slowly. Part 8. Daily practice method. How can you practice daily use English words? You can speak alone, talk in front of a mirror, repeat after videos, use words in sentences. Practice for 10 minutes every day. Consistency is the key. Part 9. Motivation for beginners. Remember this. You do not need thousands of words. You need the right words. Daily use words make English easy. Practice daily. You will improve. Thank you for watching. This was Daily Use English Words, Most Common. Like this video. Share with beginners. Subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning English.